I've got this amazing toast recipe that I just made up. I'm gonna show you guys. Wanna go for a walk?
It is a gorgeous February day. We're gonna take these guys to the dog park today. Enjoy it while we can, because tomorrow's probably gonna be some snow.
It's the height of the dry season, and temperatures on the savannah reach 35 degrees Celsius. Escaping the heat is a challenge for everyone.
So now we're on the street, the dog park,
It's kind of a bust because it was too muddy.
but I guess the snow melted all the ground and our feet are all full of mud, and but there was a lot of nice dogs there, so yeah.
Priscilla made a new family.
Yeah, Priscilla met a new family. She wanted to go with them. You want to leave me?
Priscilla would happily leave us and live with another family. She's kind of like a free spirit,
Yeah.
like a hobo. She's the littlest hobo.
She's an extrovert. She loves everybody. It's a 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit Cabriolet. What that means is a convertible cabriolet. Signifies that it's a convertible. It's not perfect, but I love old cars. Old cars just have so much character in them. Something about them it gives you that feeling of character. Something else is there. I can't explain it.
It's the nostalgia.
The nostalgia.
It's almost like we wish we were born in another era.
Yeah.
And we could have driven these kind of cars. Bye, Betty. Just kidding. His name's not Betty. I just made that up. But it could be Betty.
You guys name your cars? Should we name our car?
What are we eating?
I think we'll have some fried noodles, some toast.
I got this amazing toast recipe that I just made up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys. This is our infamous Szechuan. You could check it out in our recipe video. So this is just some leftovers that we had. Just gonna eat it with some noodles. And this is curried soy protein. Curry TVP. It's pretty good. Raj has a creation in the works. Cabbage sandwich. That actually looks pretty good.
Damn.
It's pretty good.
Fresh cabbage. You got your crunch. You got your double crunch with your toast. You got your savory with your veganese. Very good. Say hello, Count Bella. So for all of you that don't have a rabbit or know about rabbits, rabbits like to run around. You should always give them some free range time.
They're just like dogs, actually. This is a foster rabbit. We might keep her because she's so cute. They only have to stick together. The good times are so near. Follow your heart. That song changed my life. Did you win?
We won 9-3.
Whoa! 9-3?
Guys, I just created this today and it's so good. I'm having it again. Here's what you'll need for these amazing toast.
Peanut butter.
Yep.
Some really ripe bananas. Holy crap, these are so ripe. Cinnamon and chia seeds.
Chia seeds. Ta-da! There you have it. What do you call this?
I call it Elvis's favorite snack with a twist. Oh, I'm wearing my Elvis shirt today too. What are the chances?
Can you give it a try?
Good combination, eh?
I'm a huge fan of banana peanut butter. Whole new level.
Yeah, the cinnamon just kicks it up a notch. And then you got the chia seeds, which you really can't taste, but you know it's adding that extra bit of goodness.
The chia seeds, awesome.
Roch is chowing down. Oh, do you guys know what this is? Do you know what this is?
This is a deep fried dough fritter, Chinese
donut stick.
donut stick. You'll see that what's called, but it's not sweet. You have it with congee. Sometimes I like it on its own as we have here. Did you guys watch Fuller House? We just binge watched Fuller House.
Yeah, did you guys watch it? We were obsessed with Full House when it was on TV. It used to be our after school jam.
TGIF, if you know that.
And we have to pick something else to watch now. Maybe we'll continue with X-Files.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's like almost 2:30 a.m. But we decided to come out and do some late night shopping. We need to buy more peanut butter so I can make more of my delicious peanut butter toast. You can also use almond butter if you guys want, if you guys don't like peanut butter or are allergic.
I know vegans love peanut butter, and it's so true because since my mom became vegan, I think she eats it like liberally now. Like she has a scoop in the morning and she eats a scoop before bed. It's crazy.
This is a pretty good price for this peanut butter.
Amazing.
It's made by
price.
Kraft. At least it's
100% selected roasted peanuts.
yeah. At least it's just peanuts, no sugar added.
Would you like some biscuits, my dear, for our tea?
Yes, I would love to have some biscuits, but only if they're on sale. Found these snacks here. They are dehydrated bananas. One of these packages contains 5 bananas, minus 80% of the water, and nothing else. But check out the price. $6. $6 for 5 bananas? That's ridiculous. There's this brand of bread here called Silver Hills, and it's all vegan. They've got bagels, a whole bunch of different types of grains and sprouted stuff in their breads.
This one's called Squirrely.
Little Big Bread.
Big Red's bread.
I like these names. They're so cute.